What's up, guys? I'm Pepsi Gorman here with another episode, and today I'll be playing some sports car. I hope you enjoy. Who's watching? You really want to slow down because you don't really want to hit the cones. Okay.
Let's check some friends and Snapchat.
And then you park the car. Pass. Now you want to go to your flow. That's it. Quick turns. Just slowly reverse. Don't worry about too fast. Okay. You want to slowly turn your camera to the right, so you see where you're going. Somebody and you're going really slow, they're going to be coming at you, and they're literally going to tap you and make you crash, and then you're really going to have to restart the game. That's what I hate about cars behind, because you're going to speed. They want you to speed up. Like, okay, this is where the part you really have to be careful when there's a car right there, and you want to, turn over right. Okay. We're going to park in reverse, okay? Always. Oh, it's telling me to turn around. So I'm going to do that. Okay, you want to make it turn around right here. You want to be careful because of this taxi. Okay, you want to see how close you are. Okay, you want to hit drive. Okay, and then you want to park. And then you beat the level. I'm gonna go to the next level. You want to download this game? It's Store for free. You can get it for free. Just go to the App Store. At the end of the video, I will mention the name of this game, and then you guys can download it and have your fun with it if you have interest in it. But for now, just watch me. That's only if you're. This is the game I keep failing at for some reason. Oh, finally. Hold up. I think I beat it. I think I beat this one. Oh, that's actually cool. What? Oh my god. Sorry guys, I crashed. Okay, and the best thing is they give you a next. So if you so if you don't pass the level, you can go on to the next level and then come back. So what you want to do is hit next, and then you can go on to the next level and then pass that level and then come back to it later, because they're going to ask you, because there's going to be more levels to unlock that car, but they're going to ask you to beat that first level before. So yeah, so you want to beat all the levels before you, so you can go back to that level. Turn to the left, slowly, and just slowly, just keep rapidly pressing the gas. Okay, until you get out of here, and then on the street, you know you're going. Video, guys. I'm going to show you what this is. I believe it's sports car. Hold up. You're gonna go to the App Store here, and you're gonna go to. Sorry about that. Sports. You know what? Yeah. You're gonna go to parking. Wait. Sorry. My spelling. Parking games. Okay, you're gonna scroll. Wait until hold up. It's called sports car. Unless you can do this way too. You can go to sports car type, sports car test. See, sports car test drive. That's the game you want to download. It's right here. It's free on the App Store, on the Apple Store. It's a 4.5 rating. There's a video that you can watch. There's some highlights right here. So if you want to download it, it's in the App Store for free. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and hope you have a nice day.